Hey friends! Believe me when I say this, you're going to love April's Club Couture shipment. So plant a smile on your face and let's get started. This month's Club Couture shipment comes with everything you see here. The bee-sized Keep Growing Transfer and Chalkology Paste singles in Pesto, Shimmer Melon, and Tide. I've also got a few other supplies on hand, my 9x12 palette sign, a fuzzing cloth, color trays, and a mini squeegee. I've got all my stuff, so I'm ready to chalk. The first thing I'm going to do is fuzz my transfer. I'm going to carefully peel the transfer off the backer sheet and stick the transfer down onto my fuzzing cloth. This helps pick up a little bit of lint and eases the adhesive on the new transfer. Now I'm going to center the Keep Growing transfer on my palette sign, making sure to smooth it out so there are no bubbles or wrinkles. This surface pairs so well with the Keep Growing transfer, but feel free to pick your own surface when you make this project. Next, I'm preparing my Shimmer Melon paste packet by kneading it so that it's well mixed. Then I'll use my transfer trimmers to cut open the corner of the packet and squeeze some into my color tray. I'll repeat those steps again for my Pesto and Tide singles. This color palette is a happy way to brighten any space. Now for my favorite part, I'm ready to chalk my stalks off, pun intended. I'm going to scoop up some Shimmer Melon paste with my mini squeegee and spread it over the lined pot, the solid mug, the flower details, and the cute little heart detail. Next, I'm going to use a clean mini squeegee and load it up with Tide to chalk the sentiment Keep Going, Keep Growing, the tree, and the heart pot. Remember, I already chalked the little heart in the pot, so make sure to avoid that little section. Now I'm using Pesto on the plant, the dotted mug, the rubber fig, and the striped pot. I'm also making sure to get all the excess paste off of my screen and back into my color tray. I only need a thin layer of paste, so a little bit goes a long way. And it's finally time for the reveal. Once everything is chalked, slowly and gently peel the transfer from its surface, peeling from two corners at once instead of diagonally to avoid stretching the transfer. Aw, I love how this project turned out. Chalk Couture hopes you have a fan cactus day. Follow and subscribe to us on social media for more DIY inspiration. Happy chalking!